the one wey dis people wey dey control ticket come dey dem no wan hear o. Dem don enter bus as big as the bus be, people full inside. Na we wey be black na dem first just come dey control. Biletto prego signora, biletto prego signora. Na me come give am my abbonamento, my monthly ticket. The other sister still give am im monthly ticket. Another sister give am one monthly ticket. One sister wey dey carry children dey go, that one he give them im own ticket, the 1 hour 30 minutes school. Im children dey small, they never reach to dey buy tickets. Na so dem go meet some men for inside with some Ghana men. Dem control all those ones get. Before dem come dey control other people inside bus. Na only their own white people na dem come catch two wey e no buy. As dem dey come back now, say you see now, say we wey you first say no buy, we buy. He say no be their fault. He say because our people dem no dey buy. If dem just say they enter now, they will dey run up and down. Anywhere bus just stop again, they will first door open, run. Na make dem come meet us. He come dey say make we no vex. One the oyibo wey e no get, no be real Italian oyibo, dem call police for am. The one wey these people dey no good o, so make we all just dey take time. Wetin me don happy put our people wey no dey buy ticket for bus, they no dey that time. Some go enter train, they no go buy. Na only flight plane na im remain. May our people dey enter wey they no go buy ticket again. They no say for that one, they no fit do am. If not, all those ones wey no dey buy bus ticket, they for still dey do am. They for go dey enter flight, they no still buy tickets. Oyibo people wey dey inside bus, wey be dey look all of us say dem go catch these ones, dem come shame. Abeg my people, make we dey buy ticket o. No be say e go come happen, we go say na our village people na im dey pursue us dey go. Most of the problem we dey get here na our hand we take dey cause am.